What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I Like Me Better by Lauv. If you're new here, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to drop kick you into a candlestick. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so let me give you some free stuff! Stick around to the end of the video, I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play it. I hope I do not mess this name up, but this was a special request by username Manish Panu, and big shouts! It's in standard tuning, and you're going to go capo up to the 2nd fret. You're only using 4 different chords, and if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's a great resource for any beginner, intermediate, and advanced skill levels. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos, so if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done and pick up your free ebook. You're going to start with a G major chord. It's going to be 3 2 0 0 3 3. Then you're going to go to D major, 0 0 0 2 3 2. A C add 9, which is 0 3 2 0 3 3. And then like an E minor add 9, I believe. It's 0 2 2 0 3 3. Once you get the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern because the chords just repeat throughout the entire song. I will show you the little picking pattern that he plays in the beginning and the beginning of the song, and it appears somewhere in the middle as well. But those are the only chords that you need. Your strumming pattern is going to be a down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. Once you have the chord progression down, all you need to know is the little picking part that happens in the beginning and somewhere in the middle of the song. It's super simple. You're going to be palm muting, so you're going to put the fleshy part of your hand on the bridge of your guitar. You're going to go to the 5th fret from the capo on the D string, and you're going to palm mute that. Should have a punchy, slightly muted sound. You're going to use almost the exact same strumming pattern or picking pattern that you did for the chords. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, and then you go down, up, on the 6th fret, down, back to the 7th. So down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.